Hello everybody, that's me Osama Abu Hajar, and I will be discussing this video the front end side. So the structure of the front end, the framework I used, and the folders in the front end side, how to deploy them to Python anywhere, and how to have your front end up on the cloud. So if we go to the main project for Project AIH on GitHub, you will see two subfolders. The subfolder for front end is what we are looking for. So clicking on that, you will see the structure of the, like a quick description about the project. Then you're going to see the structure of the project. So the configuration file where we hide all the important data, a static folder where we have all the CSS, a BNG image, so the static files that don't change over time. Templates are all our HTML templates where all the JavaScript, Ajax and HTML sites saved here, and we do have .env. .env is important. I create this file to hide all the important variable environment in. So instead of have them public, so you could hide all your secret keys and APIs and tokens in that folder, in that file. And once you deploy it to Python anywhere, I could show you the code to link this to and just read the data from this area. So you could read about the Firebase on this link, and you could read about Google Map API. So there is a full documentation about how to get the Google API key, Google Map key, the project AIH, so from the Firebase, how to get the DB URL, and all this data could be given from the actual documentations. If you need any more help, you could just comment to me. I could straightforward tell you what you should do. So once you have your project down on your local machine, you could run the test.py file. So to run test file, so there's a white test run with unit testing. So this file is created to make sure that after you export the .env file, all your functions and all your pages load once and executed once successfully. Since you have this, okay, you could deploy it to Python anywhere. So on Python anywhere, you could have your own web app. I do have already mine, but like if you would like to create one, you could go create a new web app. Then you choose the language Python, and you could choose Flask. Then you could upload all the files to the file area. And you have to make sure, as we said, to go after you created and upload all the files, you have to go to the whiskey file and just here, so, and add the code I told you to read the environment variables. So you will find this code on the app.py on the top. You could copy it and paste it, then it works. So one of the things I have to say about the front end is when you have all the stuff uploaded, to make it run in the variable, like in the virtual environment, you have to create a new virtual environment. Then that's from the console side. Like you have to create a new virtual environment. Then after that, you have to install all the requirements. So all these requirements from Flask down, you don't need the Python or whatever, but that's to be run on local. These dependencies need to be installed on Python anywhere to have your project run completely fine. So there's a huge number of tutorials online on YouTube how to deploy it to Python anywhere. You could reference to them. Other than that, if you have any struggle or problem, you could comment me down and I will be back to you as soon as possible. So in the coming videos or in the other videos on the videos library for AIH, you could refer about how to change the address autocomplete from Irish addresses to like German or whatever. Like you could learn about how to create a user access, and you could learn about the other tabs of the front end. Hopefully that will cover the Flask and how we deploy it to front end. Watch the other videos for more information. Thank you very much. See you.